All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna place that chrome V6 and put these stickers on top of them. I just went to their website, and I guess you use the tape, get the sticker off. You have to clean it with alcohol. Make sure that's the thing, it has to be clean. And all you do is put those stickers, that's V6 over them. It's not like when I did these, I needed soapy water. They say you don't use soapy water, they just stick on. Okay, and this is tvddecals.com. There's a whole envelope full of letters. You have to do one individual letter at a time. And this is going to be to replace the SR5. Or not to replace it, just put a sticker over it. And the Tacoma right there on both sides, along with the V6. So I'll do the V6 first and see how it comes out. All right, there's the V6 with the blue on there. I don't know, not the easiest in the world to do. You know, I guess with practice you'd get better and better at it. But I might have screwed those up in the back, and I really wanted the back to be good. But we'll see. I'll do the rest. Now I know how to do them, because it comes with this sticky tape, and when that comes off of this cardboard, then you use this to stick it onto the letters. I read the instructions, clean with alcohol. They're just stickers, and hopefully they stay on. But I don't know, I think I might have messed these up, but they're not too bad for now. We'll see how they handle the weather. Next will be the SR5s and the Tacoma on both sides. But you gotta have a lot of patience, take your time, figure out how to do this, and do another video. All right, this will be an install of midnight blue stickers from tvddecals.com. There's a coupon for 15% off. TVD card 15. I think if you go to their website, give them your email, they might give you a welcome 20, give you 20% off. I paid like 18 bucks for the stickers. And what they'll do is they'll go right over the Tacoma, the SR5. I did these the other day, so they look pretty good. And you know, watch my other videos, you see, just gives the truck a little bit of personality. It'll be on this side too. So thumbs up if you like it, subscribe, leave a comment, share the information. Thanks. All right, this is what it takes to install the stickers. Alcohol, tape, that's just soapy water. Just make sure these are clean, and then put them on. Use the tape to get the stickers off. So we'll go with the SR5 first and see how it goes. I think I've got the process down since I did the process yesterday on the V6 in the back. This is a 2023 Tacoma SR5. They gave me the 4x4 stickers, which I really don't need. But thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, share the information with others, and I'll show you how it goes. It's not that hard. Alright, All you gotta do is get some tape, masking tape. I use painter's tape. You put it over the R. What comes off is that R with this clear tape. And then with the clear tape, you know, that's the S. Not always perfect with me because I'm not the artist type. And you just put it right on. Not that hard. You gotta have a lot of patience, and you know, if you're trying for perfection, well, good for you. But I think it'll look fine, especially from a distance. Alright, that's what you use the tape for. And you see the white will come off. It'll be clear tape underneath. This is the R. And then you can, I don't know if you can really see that clear. Once I pull the blue tape off, the sticky part is on the top here. Then you take the clear tape and put it right over the R. Try to line it up as best you can, and it'll stick right there. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. The sticky part is the back end. So you just use the line it up as best you can. Of course, I'm not going to do it holding the camera, but that's how you do it. And just put it right over. It's real thin. And I'm not going to do it holding the camera because I need two hands. And just stick it right on and slowly take the clear tape off. And I think it's going to look pretty sharp, just like that V6 in the back. Alright, that's the SR5. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I think it looks pretty good. Gives the truck a little bit of pizzazz instead of the chrome. And that company, TVDvinyl.com, has a whole lot of colors. I mean, you can go to any color you want. They probably got 50 different colors. You know, a lot of people go with black or red. You know, I could have went with this color here, but I think a night blue metallic looks good on the gray. You know, this gives it a little bit of pop. I'm more of a blue type of guy, you know, compared to everyone else going black. So leave a comment, thumbs up, subscribe, share. Not hard to put on. For anyone who wants to know why they call these trucks tacos, I have the MA left to do on this side. I think it's coming out good. It's got a little pop to it. And the SR, that's a little bit different putting these on because these are like stickers. And you just use alcohol to clean the chrome. And you just stick these right on the top. Different than those, where you use soapy water and you could play with them a little bit and move them around with soapy water and then just permanently stuck there. With these, you got one shot to try to get them straight. But same company, 18 bucks. Again, here's a TVD card 15, get you 15% off. That's the name of the company, TVDvinyldecals.com. Thumbs up, subscribe, share the information, leave a comment, tell me what you like, if you like them at all. Thanks, bye. And there you go, one side's done. Tacoma, the SR5. You know, when the sun hits it just right, it looks good. And hopefully no one's going to steal my tailgate. If they do, I'll know who has it. Because not too many people went with blue. Midnight blue, night blue, metallic. And all I have to do is the SR5 next. And the Tacoma. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I know the purists and the naturalists say leave the truck alone, but that's the beauty of owning a Tacoma. You can do anything you want to them to individualize it. I'll do another video of the 9 modifications I've done to this truck. So stay tuned. Thumbs up, subscribe, share the information. Alright, step by step how to do it. Step 1, alcohol. I use paper towels. Alcohol. And just wipe them down, get all the crud or anything on the badges. So clean them with alcohol, wipe them down. Get a piece of masking tape or painter's tape. And a big hint would be, start with the T. They always give you an extra T to practice on. That's what I should have done, but I went with the V6 first in the back. And that's a learning process. But it's not hard once you get in the groove. What you do is put the tape over the sticker like that. It's hard with one hand. I probably shouldn't be doing this. And peel this off, the white off. If I can get it off. There you go. So now it's off the white piece. And then you take the clear tape, because it's sticky on the back side. Then you take the tape off the clear piece, then you line it up with the clear piece. Put the S right there. And then it sticks right on. And I'm trying to get it perfectly straight. I wish I was an artist type, but I'm not. But it doesn't have to be perfect. It's a pickup truck, folks. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, share the information. Alright, it's coming out good. Metallic, or light blue metallic. So it's halfway done. All I have is the OMA to do for all you old Air Force folks. TAC. Used to be the old Tactical Air Command, if they still have it. Intercept, identify, destroy. Tactical Air Command. My first assignment, Tyndall Air Force Base, was a Tactical Air Command base, fighter base. But they're coming out good, especially on this side where the sun's hitting them. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll finish these up. Not hard to do, so I'm not taking too long, but it's got a little pop to it. Makes the truck a little bit more individualized. So, thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks. Alright, this is the last letter, the A. Put the blue tape on top, or painter's tape, masking tape. Peel off the white. It's sticky right there. That's what's going to stick to the truck. And then pull it off the tape. And just line that up on the sticker. Sticker right onto the last letter of the Tacoma on the emblem. And you know, it's not hard. Try to get it level as possible. Maybe get it eye level so it's not crooked. And stick it on. Not hard. Hopefully you guys like it. Leave a comment. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Leave a comment. And share the information. Alright folks, this is the name of the company. TVDVinylDecals.com. They're just real thin vinyl letters. There's a discount code. I think Welcome 20 might get you 20% off. I think I paid like a total of $18 for these vinyl stickers. Come in like 50 different colors. And turn the chrome into whatever color you want. Purple, blue, green. You know, if you had a white truck, you could do whatever you wanted. Blank canvas. I think it looks pretty sharp. It's on the V6. There's the Tacoma in the back. Those are bigger stickers. That was another 18 bucks. Again, SR5 in the Tacoma. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. Thumbs up. And share the information.